Chili con carne is a famous dish, and there is a good reason for that. Today, we are keeping it simple. No sugar, no fancy extras, rich and comforting flavor. Just how I like it. Hi! Welcome to Ozzy's Home Cooking. Let's get started.
First, let's start by chopping up 2 medium onions. Then we chop 1 large bell pepper into small pieces. By the way, please let me know which country or city you're watching from. I'd love to know and say hello in the comments. After chopping the bell pepper, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable or sunflower oil into a large pot. Then add the chopped onions and bell pepper. Cook them until they're soft. Next, I simply slice 2 garlic cloves straight into the pan. After frying everything together for a bit, add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and some chili powder to your taste. Once I mix them together, I add 500 grams of beef mince, but you can use lamb mince instead if you prefer. After the mince is browned, I add 125 milliliters of hot water. Then I add 1 beef stock cube, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and half a teaspoon of thyme. Mix everything until well combined. At this step, reduce the heat to low, close the lid, and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes.
Here we are. Smells good.
Now I add a handful of fresh coriander, but alternatively, fresh parsley can be used too. I chop it directly into the pan, just like my mom does. Now it's time to add our pre-cooked tinned red kidney beans. I drain them before adding. And for the final touches, some salt and black pepper to taste. I'm not adding too much salt here, as the stock we used was already salty enough. I close the lid again, just for another 5 minutes to let it sit. And it's ready. Let's serve it up. Here is our legendary chili con carne. And don't forget a bit of fresh coriander or parsley on top. Look at this, rich, thick, full of color and flavor. That's a proper home-cooked, comforting, cozy meal. Just how I like it. If you'd like to see me again, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. Also, don't forget to let me know where you're watching from.
See you next time!